Welcome back to Miller's Woodworking Studio. Today we're going to be working on assembling your countertop wine rack. Let's get started. To assemble your kit, you're going to need the kit, some way to drive screws, whether it's a drill with a driver or an old-fashioned screwdriver, and a knife to open the box. This is exactly what you'll be getting. And this one is classic gray. Oh, that's just me trying to protect your purchase. Instructions. The top. Labeled side. The other labeled side. Pack of screws. And the bottom. Inside your pack of screws, you're just going to find 12 wood nails. Your instructions give you detailed instructions on how to assemble this, of course. And considering I've done one or two of these, I don't know that I need the instructions. We're going to start with a base and a side. This is the back of the front piece. And these are all marked at the top. All we're going to do, lay it on its side. Start 3 of the screws, drive them through until we get a point sticking out on each of them. Now on the bottom, on the side of your bottom piece, you'll notice that there are pre-drilled holes on the left, well, on the front and on the back. We're going to take and line up our wood screws with the holes that have already been pre-drilled. And drive them in. Make sure not to over tighten it. I've made this out of pine to reduce weight, which means that you can carry it. I wouldn't recommend doing it with wine bottles in it or glasses on it, but it can be moved from room to room as a display piece. Next, we're going to take our top. We're going to take 3 more screws, start those, drive them through until the points come out, just like before. Start them into the holes. Now what I'm doing here is I'm alternating screws from one side to the other so that I can feel the gap and the torque will be the same on both sides of the piece. Flip it over. Now of course you can remove the stickers. It just tells you where it needs to be. The smaller side, in case you lose the stickers, the smallest side will always go on top and the rounded edge will go out. So we're going to start these 6 screws, just like we did on the front.
Drive them through until the points are coming out on one side first. We don't want to damage the other side unnecessarily. Grab one most of the way in, grab the other side out all the way in, tighten up the first, and grab on the second. Center, excuse me. We're going to bring these to the points.
And there you have it. Countertop wine caddy. This is designed to fit underneath your cabinets. The holes are big enough to hold both the small and large size wine bottles. You have 2 trays for holding wine glasses, and of course the stemless wine glasses can just be set down here, or a cheese cutter, or a serving plate, whatever you want. As you can see, wine glasses fit perfectly. Out of the way, your wine bottles will go all the way through the back and lay on the neck in the front. And there you go.